If you do a drain from that end to here, we have to drop a couple of drains when we get the slope. This is great. And so in this trip, it was an eye-opener because, while we are planning to do drainage work, but there are certain areas which, no matter how much drainage work you will do, you won't be able to secure and those communities out there because of climate change. In the morning we visited Yako village, and Yako village is, we can do bank protection work and some drainage work, that's okay. But the next village that we visited, Muala village is being encroached from both sides by mangrove, and it is below sea level. So no amount of drainage and bank protection work will secure that village in the longer run. So we have discussed, we met the elders and discussed with them possibility of them relocating. So it is something that they need to come up. They've been there, they've been attached to the place, their forefathers were born there. So we said that you discuss with it and you come up with a suggestion. The good part of the Muala village, Nenonis, is that they have land on the other side of the highway in Tunalia, which is on a higher ground, a much safer place, and they will never have any issues related to climate change that they're facing now. So it's just that we need to assist them to relocate and do some construction of the homes. So we have to oh, there's another culvert down.
There's two. Water comes this way.
So you can use pushing here?
Yes, we can. The water will be really
That's the best solution, is to have an open crossing rather than a culvert.
This is the road that church.